Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to sell a product on eBay using a Mac computer in 2023. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for eBay. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So let's now go down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Now let's go to ebay.com. We can use the shortcut within the bookmarks tab. And so we can click on eBay. Make sure you are signed into the account. Now let's go to my eBay selling. Let's go to listings, create listing. And now what we will do is go all the way down to the dock, go to the Word document that I have created, and we will copy, let's just say 14net wireless access point, minimize the Word document, paste this, search, and this will bring up some existing products that are being sold on eBay. We'll just click one that we feel is very similar to what we are selling, as this will save time. And we then don't have to physically type everything in as it's already on screen. So let's go to 14net wireless white. That's correct. And this is a used product that I am selling. And so as you will see that most of the data is pre-populated and available for us to just click and sell. So let's add the photos from the desktop. Upload all these good quality images, and let's now go down to the dock again. Go back to the Word document, take the title, highlight, copy, minimize Word, go back to eBay, Command V to paste our title. As you can see, we have used 53 characters out of 80. We are more than welcome to add additional characters if we require. Let's just see. Do we need to add anything else? We do not. If we do need to make changes, we can do that in the near future. So yes, 14net access point, one feature, POE, correct. That's all good. Yep, what I will put here is, let's just copy the title. Go all the way to the bottom. Paste that. We can then add some additional information such as a product description, which I need to add on top. Let's just say all in working order. Good luck with your bid. This product will be dispatched 2 days after the payment has been made. Or what we can say is product to be dispatched the same day the payment is made. I can provide an invoice after purchase. We are VAT registered, and I can provide you with the company number if you require that. Everything will be available on the invoice once that is requested. The last thing I always like to add is be sure to check out Computer Science Videos on YouTube and social media. Okay, the pricing. So we'll start the bid, or have the bid started at 99 pence. It'll be auctioned for 10 days. That's fine. We'll charge £4.49 for delivery, as I have to, once it's sold, create the packaging, dispatch this to an in-locker service, and so once that is all done, you can list with display fees. But what I'll do is scroll all the way to the top just to recheck that I'm happy with what I have added, as we do not want to make any mistakes. We can go back and edit, but just to be safe, all in working order and tested, that's okay. I would never sell a product that's broken unless it's broken parts that are required for something. That's fine. Let's now list with displayed fees. So that will take some time to go live. All done. So now let's go to our listings. As you can see, I have 4 listings on my eBay. Let's just click on the Fortinet wireless access point, which is available to bid and win if you become a customer for the product itself. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.